Angeli Ranallo Fagestrom, born October 17, 1987, known professionally as Bea Alonzo, is a Filipino actress, singer, and YouTuber. She is best known for playing dramatic roles in romantic drama films. Her notable films include The Mistress, A Second Chance, and The Love Affair. Alonzo's films have grossed 3.15 billion pesos, making her one of the highest-grossing Filipino box office stars of all time. Bea Alonzo, born in Cainta, Rizal, is the daughter of Philip Fagestrom and Mary Ann Ranallo. Alonzo's father is British. Her parents are separated, and she has a younger brother on her maternal side. Completing her elementary education in 2001 at the Jose Abad Santos Memorial School in Quezon City, she attended the Fisher Valley College in Taguig, U.S. Susan Elementary School, and Colegio de Santa Ana in Taguig. Bea was 13 when she was discovered by talent manager Arky Iligan at a beauty pageant in Pasig City. She didn't win the title, but Arky approached her backstage after the competition, thinking that she had huge potential. "Her eyes are very expressive," he said. "She can act, she can dance. I thought, this child is talented." That was how Bea got her foot in the door of show business. But once there, she had to face a lot of challenges as someone who didn't have a lot of resources. "I had to work very, very hard, and I had to make a lot of sacrifices to get here. Like, I had to quit school, which is like my greatest insecurity," he said. She also regretted not being able to spend a lot of time with her family, but she is thankful that now everything worked out. Here's your guide to Bea Alonzo's dating history. Miko Palanca. They first started getting to know each other in 2002, when Bea was a teenager and Miko Palanca was in his early 20s. Miko courted her for years before their eventual breakup in 2008. In August 2008, Bea revealed that she was dating Jake. At that time, Jake had just gotten out of a serious relationship. They weren't exclusive, and according to Jake, the two of them went out on several dates, but they eventually decided to become just friends. He said it was a mutual decision so that they could focus on their respective careers. Danjo and Bea were together for more than 5 years. Bea first confirmed that she was in a relationship with Zanjo back in October 2011. In July 2013, Bea surprised Zanjo during his birthday celebration on the TV show Banana Split, and they even sang 1,000 years together. But just like any couple, they had their problems. An emotional Zanjo announced their breakup on January 20th, 2016, during his guesting on Tonight with Boy Abunda. "There is no easy way, so you really have to go through it," Zanjo replied when asked on how he was coping with the breakup. Bea admitted that the problems in their relationship stemmed from a lack of time for each other. Bea and Gerald had a 3-month whirlwind romance back in 2010 before reuniting for the film How to Be Yours in 2016. They were soon spotted on different dates and out-of-the-country trips, and in October 2018, Bea even said that she hoped to marry Gerald someday. She also threw her boyfriend a surprise birthday party in March 2019. Breakup rumors started to fuel on July 21, 2019, when Bea shared some very telling Instagram posts referring to being hurt multiple times by someone and that doing the same mistake twice was enough for her already. People on the internet were quick to deduce that she was talking about Gerald and his Between Maybe's co-star Julio Barreto. Bea later talked to the press, saying, "Honestly, to my understanding, we did not break up. He just started not talking to me." Gerald also broke his silence and stated that there was no third party involved in their separation. The internet initially shipped Bea and Capamilya actor Dominic Roque, and yes, it did manifest. Fans took to Twitter to gush over the pair when Dominic posted a throwback photo with Bea from a trip to Tokyo, captioned, "I seem to be fascinated." In August 2021, Bea confirmed that she's indeed in a relationship with Dominic in an interview with her new home network GMA7. She said it was never her intention to hide their relationship, but just wanted to be more careful this time around. On July 18, 2023, Dom finally put a ring on it. Bea revealed the engagement in an Instagram post on July 19. Bea Alonzo and Dominic Roque, who were engaged, confirmed their breakup in February 2024 after rumors of their separation surfaced. Inside Bea Alonzo's gorgeous apartment in Madrid, Spain. Kapuso actress Bea Alonzo recently reached several milestones in her life, including legally becoming a resident of Spain after she invested in a property in the country. Bea toured a total of 6 apartments within her short stay in Madrid. She shared that it was fun yet tiring, but she's happy that she was able to see the sights of the city's neighborhoods. Check out some of the apartments Bea toured. House number 1 is found in Malasaya, an artist district where galleries and graffitis abound. Some of the apartment's distinct features include the high ceiling and exposed bricks. Meanwhile, house number 2 is located in Chambéry, said to be a traditional district with an aristocratic architectural flair. Bea mentioned how she loves the quiet neighborhood. The building where the apartment is found is designed by Tristan Domecq, a renowned architect, interior designer from Spain. House number 3 is found near La Casa de Papel and features an equipped gym that residents can use. While it meets some of these must-haves, she also noted that it has a small balcony. In her vlog, Bea visited 3 more apartments, noting the pros and cons of each. Before ending her 100th vlog, she happily shared that she decided to purchase house number 2 even if it's a bit over her set budget. The Love Before Sunrise actress became eligible for Spain's residency by investment RBI program after she bought a Madrid apartment for 30,072,223.84 pesos based on current exchange rates. In her vlog, Bea shared the different apartments she looked at while in Spain and revealed which of the 6 apartments she eventually chose. Take a glimpse of the beautiful apartment Bea bought in Spain in this gallery. The apartment Bea Alonzo chose is located in Chambéry, Spain, which, according to her, is a quiet neighborhood perfect for families. On why she chose to find a home in the European locale, she simply states, "I love Spain. Because of the pandemic, I thought you only live once. You have to go for it. Since last year, I have been looking for an apartment. It just started looking on the internet." While it has met most of Bea Alonzo's criteria in an apartment, such as an elevator and heating and cooling systems, she admitted that it was over her budget. Bea Alonzo revealed that while the building was originally built in the 1800s, it's a new build which, according to the actress, means that the interiors, such as plumbing and the rooms, are newly renovated. In Bea Alonzo's vlog, she shared that the architect of the building is Tristan Domecq, the same architect who designed the houses of Amancio Ortega, the owner of fashion brand Zara. The apartment is equipped with a fridge, a freezer, a dishwasher, a microwave, an oven, and a washer-dryer combo. Bea Alonzo said that she always wanted a marble countertop as big as the one in the apartment because she loves entertaining guests. "I like to cook, I like to entertain, and I like that feature of theirs. And the lighting is beautiful," she said. Bea Alonzo admitted that it would take a lot of convincing for her to buy the apartment since it's over her budget. She, however, revealed that one of the reasons why she purchased it was because of the neighborhood. "I like the idea of being able to say hi to my neighbors in the morning, and I like the idea of building a community within that building," she said. The apartment has 2 rooms, a master bedroom and a second bedroom. According to Bea Alonzo, the only thing she didn't like with the unit is that it only has 2 rooms. Aside from the powder room, there are 2 bathrooms, one in the master bathroom that has a closet and a guest bathroom. The master bathroom has a built-in closet, a separate shower and toilet areas, and 2 sinks. Bea Alonzo also noted the beautiful tiles and the materials used in the bathroom. According to Bea Alonzo, one of the reasons she picked the apartment was because of its interior design. "I really like the material that was used in the entire apartment. I know the materials used are not substandard, and I like the design of it all," she said. She also admitted that the apartment is more of her style than the other ones she viewed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.